So here we are. I wanted to explain how I did this leaf spring upgrade yet again. I added the 3 leaf spring progressive pack from Toyota. You can see they're sandwiched between the stock springs and the other springs there. But in any case, what I did was I also added the longer U-bolts, the 9-inch U-bolts, and also added a 1-inch spacer from Supreme Suspensions. And then I went ahead and I put the Sumo springs in there, but they're knockoffs from Amazon, significantly cheaper. But they actually are very comfortable, and when you hit bumps with that much weight in the bed, you can barely feel it. So I really like this setup, and so far it's treated me very well. I like the way the truck rides, and it has the rake back to it, so I like it. That's how I took care of my rear suspension sort of sagging out, and really increased the sort of load carrying capacity. And I don't think I'm overloading the axle, but in any case, this is working for me. So I'll drop the parts list on YouTube, and thank you for watching.